Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be showing you how to decorate this beautiful green bag. So this is from Target. It is called the Green Marker Bag. It was $34.99. You can buy it online or at the store. They have it in a multitude of colors, and it feels rather cheap to the touch, but it looks pretty. So once I'm done decorating this bag, you'll see that it is going to look a lot more elaborate. Now, I've already taken the trim and sized it perfectly so that I can start placing the feathers over the front flap. So get your glue ready and start working. So the bag will go from this to this. I hope you all had a nice Thanksgiving. I cooked a 14-pound turkey, and then we celebrated with there was only 3 of us, but we had food for about 10 people. So, we like to share Thanksgiving with our neighbors and stuff. So we had plates and plates of food for them. And I hope that you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, whether it's with family or on your own. Okay, guys, if I sound a little muffled, it's because I'm wearing a mask. Make sure that when you're working with your E6000, you also wear a mask and work in a ventilated area. Also, I've already sized these, so we're going to start from the bottom and then space them so that you apply glue right on top of this satin area, and then just keep layering them on top. But you're going to make sure to put the glue on the actual bag and then just overlap them. So we're going to start with the bottom, the lowest portion of the bag here, and then work our way up. Okay guys, you're going to tape the top trim, and then you're going to place a heavy book on the top flap, and this will allow the glue and the trim to adhere to the bag. Now that I have let this dry with the heavy book on top, I'm going to start working on the top layer of the flap here. And for this, I'm going to be using a bow, and this is a bow with a pin on the back. And these bows I usually wear with button-down collared shirts. But for this particular project, I'm going to be clipping off the back of the pin here and gluing this to the center of this bag. And this will look very nicely on top of this bag. So just keep watching. This bag did come with a green strap, but I don't like any straps that aren't chain, so I'm going to be replacing that as well. Okay guys, so I wanted to give you options when it comes to bows. I have a multitude of bows that I could use for any project, and you could just choose your favorite color and go with that. This black one would even look beautiful. You could see that. The green, I'm going to use the other green one, but this would be a black bow. This is pink. Pink and green look really nicely together, but not for this particular project. Remember, I'll post all links down below for you guys. Now I'm going to move on to the embellishing, and I'm going to be using these oil slick rhinestones. You could see that they're in iridescent purple, green. They have a little bit of pink hues. These are some gorgeous stones, and I'm going to be applying them to the top part of the trim along these sides. Guys, so you're just going to position them like a puzzle piece. The stones on the edges will be very delicate, so just be careful with any 3D bags. Okay guys, now that all the stones are set, you are going to let this dry. For the finishing touch, we're going to be adding a chain on the top of the trim in order to just make it look finished. So we're going to be taking a thin applicator like this, and we're going to be spreading some glue and then laying the chain on top. I'll be posting, like I said, the information down below for the roll of chain if you want to add it. Okay guys, so I've added the trim chain on top just to make it look polished. Now let it dry. So when I added the bow in the middle, I realized that I have to press down quite a bit in order to have the bag and the trim adhere properly. So what you're going to do is you're going to set this the flap pretty much flat over like a book. And then you're going to put a heavy weight on top. And so I basically got a dumbbell and I set it right on the top so that it can adhere properly to the front flap. Otherwise, this will be elevated and you want this to be solid. So make sure that you place a heavy object and let dry. Okay guys, so this is the finished product and I love the way that this turned out. This in no way looks like a Target bag, and you can see there how nicely finished it is. I'll open it up so you can see nothing falls apart. It's rather solid. It is very spacious and it just looks like $1,000,000. The rhinestones with the trim here, everything looks polished, and I did add the gold chain because it looks beautiful with green. This bag is perfect for the holiday season and I'm very excited to share it with all of you. If you like this video, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.